Today, we're going to explore the fascinating relationship between our emotions and impulsive behavior. Emotions can be powerful motivators, but they can also lead us astray if we don't understand how they influence our choices. Understanding the emotional roller coaster. Our emotions are like waves, ebbing and flowing throughout the day. Some are pleasant, like joy and excitement, while others are more challenging, like anger or sadness. When we're feeling the positive emotions, it's usually easier to maintain self-control. But when negative emotions arise, they can trigger the impulsive behaviors that we later regret. The emotional hijack when emotions take over. Have you ever said or done something in the heat of the moment that you later wished you could take back? That's the emotional hijack in action. It's when a strong emotion takes over our rational mind, leading to the impulsive reactions. For instance, if you're feeling angry, you might lash out at someone, even though you know it's not the best way to handle the situation. Or if you're feeling stressed, you might reach for comfort food, even though you're trying to eat healthier. The emotional impulsive connection. Emotions and impulsivity are closely linked. Strong emotions can weaken our self-control, making us more susceptible to temptations and impulsive behaviors. This is because emotions activate a different part of our brain, the limbic system, which is actually responsible for our fight or flight response. When the system is activated, our rational thinking takes a backseat, and we are more likely to act on impulse. Managing your emotions for better self-control. The good news is that we can learn to manage our emotions and reduce their impact on our impulsivity. Let's have a look towards the productive strategies. Firstly, when a strong emotion arises, just try to label it. Are you feeling angry, frustrated, or anxious? Research actually shows that simply naming the emotion can help to reduce its intensity and give you a more sense of control. The second approach is to utilize the STOP method. The simple acronym stands for Stop, Take a Breath, Observe, and Proceed. When you feel a surge of emotion, pause. Just take a few deep breaths, notice the physical sensations in your body and the thoughts in your mind, and then choose a more thoughtful response. A third helpful tactic is to engage in physical activity. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your emotional well-being. Physical activity can help to release pent-up energy and reduce stress, making it really easier to manage your emotions. Fourthly, expand your emotional vocabulary can help you understand and communicate your feelings more effectively. Instead of just saying I'm upset, try to pinpoint the specific emotion you're experiencing, such as the frustration, disappointment, or sadness. Lastly, focus on what you're eating. Paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food can help you slow down and become more aware of your hunger and fullness cues, reducing the emotional eating. Understanding the connections between emotions and impulsivity can help us develop these strategies to manage our emotional responses and make more conscious choices. This, in turn, strengthens our self-control and leads to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Emotions are a natural part of the human experience. They're not something to be suppressed or ignored. We can learn to navigate our emotions with greater awareness and skills, harness their power for good, and make choices that align with our values and goals.